Okay, so we've got this stacked on top of the other, which is being repaired still. I think we're waiting for a speaker for that. So this is the one you've seen the video on. My telephone line's off. It went off on Christmas Day. So really useful thing to happen. So you won't be seeing any uploads from me till that's fixed. So here's Mr Chippie out there, hopefully. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, right. I'm on the Audioline 341, I think it is. So am I okay over?
Yep, roger that, all sounds good. Just coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, they tend to be a bit bassy, these.
A little bit, but it's not that bad, to be honest.
Roger. It's on a cheap Chinese mic.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. We go down in towards Wilford, over.
Roger, if you're going shopping, I would appreciate you getting me some fruit-shaped stuff over.
Say again.
When you go shopping, I would appreciate you getting me some fruit-shaped thing over.
What, like orange one?
Yeah, something like that.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. It's an Audioline 341. It's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Excellent.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now crossing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. As I always say, that's our worst one, but as it's January the 4th or something today, that the trees are off. The trees are off. The leaves are off the trees, so it is that little bit better than it is in summer. Roger, got you over Rosebery Stroke Greyleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. Thanks, Ben, and also Happy New Year to all of you.
Oh, that's good. Thank you very much. I'm sure they'll be thrilled to hear that. Right, catch you later. Wrong call sign. Tango 21 out. Right, oh, Happy New Year from Mr Chippie. That's great, and Happy New Year from me too. Right, we're going over to Boundary by the time our phone line comes back. It'll probably be June. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what this sounds like. And as you can see, the next set we're going to be testing is another Audioline 341, which some silly fool has 80-channeled and ruined, but we're just about getting there with it. Here goes.
Tango 21, testing the Audioline 341 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is with a standard replacement microphone. And as ever, thanks for watching. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Happy New Year to all the viewers from myself and Mr Chippie.